Hello students, I am your physical education teacher. Our section B continues. One game we have already done, that is basketball. Today we will start the second game. The name of game is cricket. First of all, we will discuss the knowledge of this game, means important things about this game. First of all, it is also a team game. A cricket match is played between two teams of 11 players. 11 players are there in each team, and the ground is grassy, and that is prepared by the groundmen, whose job includes fertilizing, mowing, rolling, and leveling the surface. Means the groundmen will level the surface, roll the pitch, and fertilizing the ground also. After that, field diameter of 140 to 160 yards are usual. The perimeter of the field is known as the boundary, and this is sometimes painted and sometimes marked by a rope. The cricket field may be round, square, or oval. The objective of each team is to score more runs than the other team and to completely dismiss the other team. And in one form of cricket, winning the game is achieving by most runs, even the opposition has not been completely dismissed. In other form, it is necessary to score the most runs and dismiss the opposition in order to win the match, which would otherwise be drawn. After that, how match will begins. Toss will be there in between two captains on the pitch with the coin. After that, the winning captain will decide ball first or bat first. After that, two players from the batting side and the 11 players from the bowling or fielding side then enter in the field, and play proceed by a member of the fielding team known as bowler. That will ball from one end of the pitch towards the pitch at the other end, which is guarded by one of the batsmen. That batsman known as a striker, who will face the ball, that is called striker, and other batsman is known as a non-striker. That batsman will wait at the opposite end of the pitch near the bowler. Means other batsman will stand near the umpire. The bowling team's objective are to prevent the scoring of runs and to dismiss the batsman. And dismissed batsman who is declared to be out must leave the field to be replaced by a teammate. Means which batsman is dismissed, that will be go out, and other batsman will come in field. After that, type of dismissal of the batsman, common dismissal are bowled when the bowler hits the stumps directly with the ball and dislodges the base, and leg before wicket when the batsman prevents the ball from hitting the stumps with his body instead of bat. After that, catch out when the batsman hit the ball into the air and it is interrupted by a fielder before touching the ground. These are the common dismissal. And how the runs are scored? Runs are scored by two methods: either by hitting the ball hard enough for it is cross the boundary, means by 4, by 6, or by the two batsmen running between the wicket. After that, officials, how many officials are there in cricket? 2 are field umpire, 1 is third umpire, 1 is match referee in international matches, and 2 of field scorers are there who record all the match statistical information including runs, dismissal, overs, extras. All these things will be written over the score sheet by the scorers. And there are various formats of the cricket like T20, that is a few hours game of 2020 overs, and test matches, that is a 5-day matches, and after that 1-day matches are there, 50-50 overs. And after that some history. Cricket is originated by the England in the middle of the 16th century, and the game's governing body is the International Cricket Council, that is known as ICC, which has over 100 members are there, 12 of which are full members who played test matches. मीन्स 12 मेंबर्स इसके आईसीसी के वो हैं जिन्होंने टेस्ट क्रिकेट फर्स्ट क्लास क्रिकेट के मैचेस प्ले किए हुए हैं. एंड द गेम्स रूल्स आर हेल्ड इन द कोड कॉल्ड द लॉ ऑफ क्रिकेट विच इज़ ऑन द मेंटेन्ड बाय द मैरीबोर्न क्रिकेट क्लब MCC in London. All the rules and regulations will are formed by the MCC. After that, we will talk about the creases. There are 3 creases in cricket. These one is bowling crease, one is popping crease for batsman, one is a return crease that is also for bowler. After that, some rules and regulations of the. First of all, number of players in each team. There are 16 players, 11 will be playing and 5 are extras. Number of umpires in a match, 2 are field umpire, 1 is a third umpire. Weight of the ball, 156 gram weight is there of the ball. After the circumferences of the ball, 22.4 centimeter to 22.9 centimeter. Length of the bat, 38 inches. Widest part of the bat, 10.8 centimeter. Breadth of pitch on the both sides from center wicket, 4 feet 4 inches. Distance of the stumps from one side to other side, 22 yards. Breadth of the wicket, 9 inches. Color of the ball, white ball for night matches and red ball for day matches. Number of scorers, 2 scorers are there in cricket match. Time for changing every inning, means how much time will be there after every inning. There will be a 10-minute of break. Time for changing the player, means after dismissal of batsman, other players have to come in field in 2 minutes only. Type of matches, 1-day matches, 5-day matches. 5-day matches means test matches, 2020 matches. Height of the wicket from the ground, 28 inches. Radius of small circle means 30 yard circle, that is 27.4 meter. Radius of boundary, that is 75 to 85 yards. After that we will discuss about the pitch. डायमेंशन इसकी जो हमने ऊपर की हुई है. द पिच इज़ 22 यार्ड लॉन्ग बिटवीन द विकेट्स एंड इज़ 10 feet वाइड. मीन्स 22 yards लॉन्ग एंड 10 feet विल बी वाइड. And it is a flat surface and has very short grass that tend to be worn away as the game processes. Means the condition of the pitch has a significant bearing on the match, and the team tactics are always determined with the state of the pitch, both current and anticipated as a deciding factor. Means pitch क्या है बॉलर के लिए और बैट्समैन के लिए कि कई बार क्या है डिसएडवांटेजेस या एडवांटेजेस होते हैं पिच के. समटाइम्स पिच होती है फॉर बॉलर के यूज़ के लिए अच्छी होती है, समटाइम्स बैट्समैन के यूज़ के लिए अच्छी होती है. After that, wickets. Each wicket consists of 3 wooden stumps placed in a straight line and surmounted by 2 wooden cross pieces called bails. Bails are there over the stumps. 2 bails are there. And what about the bails? The bails should be placed on the stumps on each side. The bails should be 11.1 centimeter long, and when placed on the wicket should not rise more than 1.3 centimeter above them. After that, creases, we have already talked about the creases. Four lines are there on the pitch known as creases, are painted onto the pitch around the wicket area to define the batsman's safe territory and to be determine the limit of the bowler's approach. Safe territory means this is a popping crease, that is a it is also called batting crease, means जो बैट्समैन के लिए सेफ टेरिटरी है उसका एरिया. एंड बॉलर्स अप्रोच, that is a bowling crease and return crease. Two return creases are there, that are the for bowlers. ठीक है, जैसे safe territory कैसे होगा? The importance of the popping crease to the batsman is that it marks the limit of his safe territory, for he can be stumped or run out if the wicket is broken while he is out of his ground. Means अगर वो popping crease से बाहर होगा तो उसको क्या है, स्टम्प्ड आउट एंड रन आउट होने का चांसेस इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे. एंड फॉर व्हेन द बॉलिंग द बॉल, द बॉलर्स बैक फुट इन हिज डिलीवरी स्ट्राइड मस्ट लैंड विद इन 2 रिटर्न क्रीजेस while his front foot must land on the behind of the popping crease. If the bowler breaks this rule, the umpire calls no ball. मीन्स बॉलिंग क्रीज और जो रिटर्न क्रीज है उनकी दोनों के बीच में ही जो बॉलर का पैर है जब बॉल करा रहा है उसके पीछे ही रहना चाहिए. अदरवाइज अगर पैर आगे आएगा, अदरवाइज दैट विल बी अ नो बॉल. देन बैट इज मेड ऑफ wood and has a shape of blade topped by a cylindrical handle. The blade must not be more than 10.8 centimeter wide and the total length of a bat not more than 38 inches. And the ball is a hard leather seamed spirit of circumferences 22.4 and to 22.9 centimeter. The hardness of the ball, which can be delivered at speed or more than 90 miles per hour, is a matter for concern. Had batsmen wear protective clothes including pads, batting gloves for the hands and helmet for the head and the abdominal guards. And the weight of the ball should not be less than 156 gram. And circumferences, that is we have already discussed 22.4 to 22.9 centimeter. After that, duties of the match referee. We have already discussed one match referee is there in international matches. What are the duties of that? The match referee administrates a cricket match by watching the game from the outside of the field. He will administrate the game from the outside of the field. The match referee makes no decision of relevance to the outcome of the game, but he has to power to fine players and or teams for unethical play. In cricket matches, these penalties are momentary fines and or suspension from subsequent matches. मीन्स क्या है, मैच रेफरी की ओनली यही ड्यूटी है, वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेट करता है मैच को बाहर से बैठकर. अगर अनएथिकल प्ले होता है देन ओनली ही कैन ओनली फाइन द प्लेयर्स और फाइन द टीम. मीन्स जैसे आप देखा होगा कि मैच इस प्लेयर की मैच फीस इतनी कट हो गई स्लो ओवर रेट के कारण, जो ओवर्स आप स्लो रेट से करते हो देन फाइन विल बी देयर. ऑल these are the duties only of the referee. So after that, umpires, two umpires are appointed, one on each end, bowler end and striker end, to control the game The umpire shall take position from where they can easily see any act upon which their decision may be required. And duties of umpires, two umpires are field and one is a third umpire. The umpire should ensure that the game is conducted and equipment used by the strictly in the accordance with the rules and regulation of the cricket. They should make sure that the wickets are properly pitched, whether the ground is fit for the play and whether there is a appropriate light for the play. Umpires should make a frequent and regular inspection of the condition of the ball. If there is any dispute regarding the use of the ball, the umpire shall change the ball after consultation, and the ball must be similar to that in use. An umpire may consult with the other umpire on the point of fact which the latter may have been in the better position to see and shall then give his decision. मीन्स दोनों अंपायर क्या है, आपस में अगर किसी भी डिसीजन के ऊपर उनको लगता है नहीं विजिबल था, डाउट था, तो दोनों डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट ड्यूटीज ऑफ थर्ड अंपायर. what will be the duties of third umpire? The third umpire is also known as an off field umpire. Off field because he will be out from the field, who usually give his decisions when the on field umpires are unsure. The third umpire sits off the field with a television replay monitor. The field player can use his discretion to refer a close decision to the third umpire to refer to the dismissal of a batsman, catches or boundaries, wireless set or a signal light system. कैसे वो सिग्नल दे सकते हैं जो ऑन फील्ड अंपायर है, वायरलेस सेट के अकॉर्डिंग भी और सिग्नल लाइट सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग भी वो सिग्नल दे सकते हैं थर्ड अंपायर को कि दिस डिसीजन इज अ फॉर थर्ड अंपायर. Then duties of scorer. What will be duties of the scorer? Outside the field, the match detail including runs and dismissals are recorded by two official scorers, one representing each team. Means the scorer are directed by the hand signal of an umpire. Means जो भी signal umpire के आएंगे उसके थ्रू ही वो क्या है, scores, wide, no ball, all these things will be written over the score sheet by the scorers. For example, the umpire raises a forefinger to signal, that means the batsman is out. He raises both arms above his head, it means the batsman has hit the ball for 6 runs. Okay, then over. What is over? The bowler bowls the ball in set of 6 deliveries or balls, and each set of 6 ball is called an over. This name came about because the umpire calls over. जब 6 balls हो जाती है तो umpire बोलते हैं over. That's why this name is origin. When 6 balls have been bowled, at this point another bowler will come and bowl from the other end, and the fielding side changes ends. After that, types of matches. 3 types of matches are there. We have already discussed test matches, one-day matches and 2020. Test matches, these are played between two teams which are usually in a group of matches called a series. Means 4 matches, 5 matches, that are called series. These matches last up to 5 days. Test matches are played in white uniform dress up. And one-day matches, it is known as ODI matches. These matches are played with a bowling limit of 50 overs, are finished up within 1 day, and the team wear their unique multicolored uniform. And 2020, it is a new variant of a limited over match. This kind of matches are totally similar to the ODI matches as compared for rules and activities, but the only difference is the number of overs bowled, which are reduced from 50 over to 20 overs in a match. So in this video we will discuss up to this point only. Other part of this game we will discuss in the next video. So I hope you understood up to this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.